Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem today, 15778. Minimum time to make a report colorful. So to make this row colorful, we want no continuous balloons with same color. No same color. To make no continuous same color balloons, we want to find out a subarray with same color balloons and remove all of them except the one with the maximum cost. Because we have to remove all the other same color balloons and we want to make it as minimum as possible. That's why we save the one with a maximum cost. To achieve this, we need two pointers, one for the beginning, one for the end. Say start and end for this subarray of the same color balloons. First, there's a trick I'm using is to append an extra color at the end of a string, which is for the edge cases. That means when we reach to the end of the array, there's gonna be no extra operations to check if it is end of the array.